Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Hopefully you had a great one. And with the new year, I've decided to open up a Patreon account. If you're not sure what a Patreon account is, it's where you, the viewer, gets to help support creators like me through a subscription service called Patreon. My Patreon account has 3 levels. $1, thanks for the dollar. $5, where you get a piece of Viking artwork once a month sent to all of those people. Or $10, where you get that artwork and you get some influence on the videos I make. So you get to talk to me about what videos you'd like to see. I'll poll the people that have done the $10 subscription, and I'll make one of those videos based on the results of that. Also remember that if you're shopping for tools, that I put links to most of the tools that I use in all my videos in the description box. So if you're watching a certain video and you want to know where I got that tool from, look in the description box, it's probably there. It sends you to Amazon, and with every purchase you do through those links, I get a tiny bit of money from that as well. So if you were to buy a rotary punch, I'd get like 50 cents, that kind of thing. So obviously, the information for my Patreon account is in the description box down below. If you want to check that out, that'd be great. If you don't want to check it out, that's fine too. Just stay engaged, maybe leave some comments down below, keep making beautiful things, and I'll talk to you next time.